Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your SIM's handiness and available funds. Once done, head to neighborhoods and check bins, garbage piles, and fishing spots for scrap and cheap electronic parts because those spawn reliably. Make sure to also inspect community lots for broken electronics you can salvage or buy broken items from flea markets. While you search, carry a repair tool and a toolbox. These let you test parts immediately and avoid wasted trips back home. Next, when basic parts are missing, buy from vendors or the online SIM market and prioritize cheap bulk items. Then use the electronics crafting table to assemble wires, circuit boards, and processors. Crafting increases quality and reduces failure rates. Once assembled, combine salvaged parts and crafted components into upgrade kits on the same table, because kits streamline installation and save funds. Keep checking your inventory as you craft to avoid duplicate parts. And finally, install the upgrade kits onto the target electronics and test them immediately to confirm success. If an upgrade fails, swap to higher quality components or boost your SIM's handiness by practicing repairs, because success rates scale with skill and part quality. If an object glitches or becomes unusable, use the in-game reset command or remove and replace the item. Make a save before risky installs so you can revert. One troubleshooting tip: always test on a cheap device first to avoid costly breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.